okay just by observation to not calculate the second half, like the bottom?
Yeah,
just
but
knowing.
no, you have to show me how you get it.
Okay.
Getting there is different, right? You can see how the formula differs, right? Right? You can see how this formula is different.
Yeah.
Okay. And how this is different. But the saving grace is you know that whether it's right or wrong, the number should be the same.
Roger.
Make sense?
And then,
yeah.
Yep. And then second question is, we don't have any shear stress equations in our homework. Is this something that we should be prepared to have on the exam, despite it not being in the homework?
How do you mean shear stress equation in the homework?
So I don't think in any of the homework, I actually haven't done the week 4 yet, but I don't think we do any shear stress distribution equations.
I think
within-
there might be. Hold on. Wait. Yeah, I don't think I see any. I thought there was a question with it. Yeah, but it's not difficult to do after I show you today, right?
No, not at all.
Wait, let me see. Week 4. I'm surprised. You're right. Yeah, you're right. I did not set, but that's why I show you twice in the lecture and the revision again, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think it's a good revision or good revision for you to do. It's not really that difficult, okay? Okay, anyone, any other question?
I do have a separate
Yep.
kind of request, but it's outside of what we just covered. It would be
Okay.
referring to week 2. So if anyone has anything related to this, maybe we should cover it first.
No, no one has question. Okay, what about week 2?
Alrighty, we from homework week 2. It's question 2, and they calculated their second moment of area about z in a very peculiar way, and I'm mostly just wondering if we could stick to the more basic way that you showed us.
You mean this one?
Yeah, I'm really not sure how they calculate.
Yeah, don't bother. Just use the technique that I teach you. It's easier that way.
Okay.
Okay, don't. I mean, it's the answer will be exactly the same. Okay, I know. That's why the solution. That's why I won't look at the solution how they get there. I will only look at this number over here. Okay, so
Okay.
I'll quickly show you. Okay, so let's look at.
So then I guess another thing, if I'm confused at any point, the answers are all correct within the solution guides, just the
Yeah, but
actual...
how they get there, don't follow them, pointless, man.
Roger.
Okay, so what I will do is very quickly. So we have to find centroid again, right?
Yeah.
So this is my 1, and this is my 2 with depth, right?
Yep.
So this is section 1, 2. Then we have our width, depth, and our area, right? So the first one, the width is 90. The depth is 80. Right? So 90 times 80, 7200. And then the width is 30. The depth is 80. 2400. Y bar I take from the top is 80 divided by 2. 40, 80 plus by 80 divided by 2, 120. Then we have your A y bar top. 720 times 40, 28800. Again, 720 times 40, 28. Hey, I do it wrong. 7200 times 40, 28830. And 2400 times by 120. Okay. 2400 times by 120. 288. Hey, what am I doing? It must be late. Sorry. 720 times by 40. Oh, it's the same answer. 288, 123. 240 times 120. Yeah. 288, 123. So 7200 plus by 2400 is equal to 9600. 288 times by 2 is 576. Right? So the y bar is equal to 576, 123 divided by 960. Okay. 576, 123 divided by 9600 is equal to 60. So we know the centroid is 60, right, from the top. Okay, it's 60. So from here, again, you do your I of 1, right? 90, 80, cube, 12, plus by 7200, 60 minus 40. That's why using this technique that I've taught you guys, you never get it wrong, you know. It's only when students don't use it, that's where you can get it wrong. So 6.72 times 10 to the power 6 millimeter power 4. This is also millimeter. Let me do it again. 90 times by 80 power 3. 12 plus 720 times by 60 minus 40. Yep. And then I2 30 80 cube over 12 plus by 2400 multiplied by 60 minus by 120 squared. Okay. 80 power 3 divided by 12 plus 240 times by 60 minus 120 close bracket squared is equal to 9.92. Let me do it. 30 times by 8, 30 times by 80 power 3 divided by 12 plus 240 times by 60 minus 120 close bracket squared. 9.92. So your I ZZ is equal to 6.72 times 10 to the power 6 plus by 9.92 times 10 to the power 6. Okay, so 6.72 plus by 9.92 is equal to 16.64 times 10 to the power 6 millimeter 4, or 16.64 times 10 to the power minus 6 meter 4. Okay, and if you look at the, so 16.64 is the magic number that we are looking for. I don't know, is it right or wrong?
It is correct.
Yep. Okay, so it's exactly the same. Okay,
Alright,
so
cool.
yeah, so if you develop a table like this, it is so quick, right? As long as you fix the table, it's easy to do. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
then I'll see you guys on Tuesday at McMaster. Okay.
Like, do you have office hours in next few days?
If you have question, just ask me,
Alright.
or just send me an email. Okay.
Yeah.
Or on Teams. It's good on Teams. I'll get the message. Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Okay then. I'll see you guys then.
Alright, have a good night.
Okay, good night.